Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments, right at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is faith. This is the second door. After creation, you have a great idea, but it's time to put some walk behind that talk. It's time to put some bite behind that bark. It is time to start laying the bricks down and actually putting the physical work. Faith without works are dead. So the faith that you have, that you believe I can create this, now go out today, every single day. Take time to put in to build your dreams. Not one day should be left alone where you have not done anything to build your dreams. No one will build them for you. You're original, one of one. You came in this world by yourself, therefore you shall leave by yourself. You need to build by yourself. And when it comes to the time where you need help, the right people will come, but you're at the place where you have to get started. I'm confident I achieve and I will achieve my goals. Are you confident that you achieve your goals? Because when you're given the idea of a goal, that means it's possible. It may have never been created yet. It may have, but it may not have been created yet. You don't see how it's going to happen, but you know it's possible. So be the person to make breakthrough, to change and bring something new into this world that we've never seen, because I need you. The whole world needs you. I live in the present and I have faith in the future firmly. I believe in my value in the universe, which is priceless. You would not get these ideas, these inclinations, if you weren't possible, if you weren't strong enough, and if you weren't ready for it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.